This is an amazing weekend that we have planned for all of you to celebrate all of your achievements, your accomplishments, late nights, hard work, all of it has gotten you here, and we are so excited to celebrate all of you.
Today is about celebration and building lifelong connections. It's a chance to honor where you've been, celebrate where you are, and be inspired about what's to come.
This is exciting. DeVry, they're having this event now, and they're having us connect and being able to network with others in ways that I didn't even think was possible, honestly.
DeVry means to me that the world is unlimited, that whatever we put our mind to, we can master.
Just having the sense of community at DeVry, the flexibility and the support.
To me, show hope, like it doesn't end when you get out of high school, it doesn't end when you start a career. You keep learning and you keep developing yourself into the person and a leader and the career that you want.
Let's honor and congratulate the class of 2025